In the late 16th century, on the shores of what would later become North Carolina, a thriving English colony known as Roanoke was established. Under the leadership of John White, a group of settlers hoped to create a new life in the New World. However, the colony would become one of the most enduring unsolved mysteries in history. In 1587, John White left Roanoke to gather supplies from England, leaving behind his daughter Eleanor Dare and her husband Ananias Dare, along with over 100 other colonists. White intended to return quickly, but unforeseen circumstances, including the outbreak of the Anglo-Spanish War, delayed his return. When he finally arrived back at Roanoke in 1590, he found the settlement eerily abandoned. There was no sign of struggle, and the buildings had been dismantled, as if the colonists had left deliberately. The only clues were the word CROATOAN carved into a tree and CRO etched into a fence post. The disappearance of the Roanoke colony has puzzled historians, archaeologists, and amateur sleuths for centuries. Theories abound, ranging from assimilation into local Native American tribes to supernatural occurrences. The word CROATOAN suggested that the colonists might have relocated to nearby CROATOAN Island, but there was no concrete evidence to confirm this. To this day, the fate of the Roanoke colonists remains a tantalizing mystery. Did they find refuge with the CROATOAN tribe, or did something more sinister befall them? The story of the lost colony of Roanoke continues to intrigue and baffle those who seek to unravel its enigmatic tale, making it one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in American history.